Welcome back to Carvan Nest. Today, we have something truly special for you all. We're stepping inside a motorhome that redefines luxury and comfort on the road. Get ready to be impressed as we explore this incredible vehicle that combines style, innovation, and practicality. First, let's talk about the exterior. This motorhome boasts a stunning modern design with an aerodynamic shape and a sleek, glossy finish. Available in a striking white color, it certainly stands out on the road. The unique front grille and LED headlights give it a bold presence, while the curved windows provide both style and excellent visibility. Notice the thoughtfully designed side mirrors that not only enhance visibility, but also add to its aesthetic appeal. The stunning alloy wheels give it a sporty look that's not often seen in motorhomes. Now, let's step inside and explore the interior. As you enter, you're greeted with a spacious living area that feels more like a luxurious lounge than a traditional motorhome. The open-plan design is truly remarkable. We have a beautifully arranged seating area with plush sofas that are incredibly comfortable. The large windows flood the space with natural light, making it feel airy and welcoming. Plus, there's a dedicated dining area where you can enjoy meals with family and friends.
Now, let's check out the kitchen. This motorhome features a fully equipped kitchen that you won't want to miss. You have a modern stove, a spacious fridge, and even a microwave oven for those quick meals on the go. The cabinetry is stylish and plentiful, providing ample storage for all your cooking essentials. The countertop is sleek and offers plenty of space for meal preparation. Cooking in this kitchen will feel just like being at home. Moving on, we have the bathroom. It's surprisingly spacious, with a modern sink, a large shower, and an eco-friendly toilet. The design is sleek and functional, making it a comfortable space, no matter where the road takes you. And here we are in the bedroom. The bed is king-sized and incredibly comfortable, outfitted with high-quality linens. There's plenty of storage space for your clothes and other personal items, and the ambient lighting creates a relaxing environment for a good night's sleep. Now, let's talk about technology. This motorhome is equipped with the latest tech features, including a state-of-the-art entertainment system. The large flat-screen TV not only allows you to watch your favorite shows, but is also Bluetooth-enabled, so you can stream music and connect your devices seamlessly. The dashboard features an intuitive infotainment system, which allows for easy navigation and control over many aspects of the motorhome, including climate control and entertainment. Safety is paramount here too, with advanced driver assistance features to help you navigate the roads with peace of mind. So there you have it. This motorhome truly sets a new standard for what you can expect from a home on wheels. Whether you're planning a weekend getaway or a long road trip, this vehicle offers the perfect combination of luxury, comfort, and functionality. Thank you for joining me today on this tour. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Carvan Nest for more amazing reviews like this one. Leave a comment below with your thoughts and let us know what motorhome you'd like us to check out next. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.